I have some exciting news that I would like to share with you guys. Early 2023, I started investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum. 2 weeks ago, I sold everything and made around 25k in just a matter of like 6 to 8 weeks time. How did I do it? In today's video, I will share everything, how my trading system and one of the trading secrets to you guys. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. My mission for the channel is to share my experience and our simple trading system, hopefully to help more retail trader to benefit from the market. If you like our topics, I'd personally love to invite you to subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any trading opportunity. So today, let's talk Bitcoin. I would like to show you one of my trading secrets called commitment of trader. In a simple term, it's the smart money to track future contract. On this platform, marketmakeclear.com, it has everything simplified on this commitment of trader data. This is the commitment of trader of Bitcoin. You can see early part of the year, which is fine. We did see some buying activity from this green line from commercial party on Bitcoin, which I refer as smart money. So when they started to buy, which is great, that's okay. A little concerned, the red line you can see slowly increasing. Come in March, one thing that I didn't like in here was that the long contract was dropping and the short contract was increasing, which you can see that's a crossover here, which is not healthy at all. Whenever you see these sort of things in back in 2022, you can see a couple of times we have made major top and drops. So that's why I sold off my Bitcoin investment correlate with my trading system, which I'll show you right now. So this is the Bitcoin chart. So you know, if you follow me on my social media channel, you would know that was the price that I've been buying. Why did I do that? When price broke off, I was just waiting for a retest around this area. So lucky it came back here, and also it's same times at Ethereum, which it helped. So I bought in some around 20 and then a breakout on that. So my average is around 20,600, something like that. When price continued to move higher, you can see that was a time in March. I really wanted to see price continue to break above the 32 and stay above. My target was around 40k, but that changed from the commitment of trader, which I was showing you earlier, right? Therefore, when the price action's not looking bullish, commitment of trader was showing bearish sign, I put a stop loss just under this box here, which it kicked me out, which is fine. And hey, in 8 weeks time made around, 6-8 weeks time made around 25k. Nobody's gonna say no to that, isn't it, right? So where to from here, huh? I think price is now, is rejecting this level. I might be shorting it, but I think price is gonna hover around this area. So what I'll do is I will wait for, the next one, come back to this area here, and the next rejection. I'll look to short Bitcoin to maybe back to around this area. I would probably take some profit around 25k and then leave some running until the 20k area, okay? But come to end of the year, when Bitcoin come back to 20k or just under, I will not hesitate to start buying it, and I will be buying some altcoin as well. If you'd like to know more, make sure you follow us on our social media platform. I'll drop the link below, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. That way you won't miss any trading opportunity. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.